The Driftwood Lab Magic Mouse Wireless Charger Cradle Kit is a stylish and convenient way to charge your Magic Mouse. It is made from high-quality wood and features a built-in wireless charger that can charge your mouse quickly and easily. The cradle is easy to use. Simply place your Magic Mouse on the cradle and it will start charging automatically. The cradle also has a non-slip base that keeps your mouse in place while it is charging. The Driftwood Lab Magic Mouse Wireless Charger Cradle Kit is a great way to keep your Magic Mouse charged and ready to use. It is also a stylish addition to your desk or workspace. Here are some of the pros and cons of the Driftwood Lab Magic Mouse Wireless Charger Cradle Kit. Pros: stylish design. Made from high-quality wood. Built-in wireless charger. Non-slip base. Easy to use. Cons: can be expensive. Only works with the Magic Mouse. May not be compatible with all desk surfaces. Overall, the Driftwood Lab Magic Mouse Wireless Charger Cradle Kit is a great product for people who own a Magic Mouse. It is stylish, well-made, and easy to use. However, it is important to note that the cradle is expensive and only works with the Magic Mouse. It may also not be compatible with all desk surfaces. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.